Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use referral code on Shein app. Easy tutorial. So let's get started. So now here we are on the Shein app, and from here what we're gonna do is tap on the Me button on the bottom right of our screen. And then once you're here, you can see the share and earn program when you swipe to the right here, as you can see right here in the middle. So you'd be able to see the share and earn button on the right side, so tap on it. And this is the referral program of Shein, and this is where you can see your referral code. As you can see, there is the referral link, and on the last part is the referral code. And then you can just tap on copy on that, and then you can just send it to your friends so that they can use it and buy products, so that you would be able to earn a commission right here or rewards from Shein. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. And you can tap here on others button, and then you can see here you can share it with this Facebook and Instagram method, save image, or more, depending on what you'd want. So yeah, this is basically how simple it is on Shein on how you can share or use your referral code and link. So this is what you would need right here. All your referral have to do is to open that link that you will give them and start buying products from there. And you can see here at the bottom it says earn rewards, and you can tap on view details, and this is where you can see all of the rewards or the referrals that you have successfully completed. So yeah, this is where you can see it all. You can see your coupons, the rewards that you have claimed, and so on. So yeah, that is basically it on how easy it is to use a referral code in Shein. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.